Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anshika, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today I am back with another review video. It will be a very short one because I only have one product with me, which is the Wow Skin Science UV Water Sunscreen, and I've been loving this for quite a long time. So basically earlier I used to use a cream based sunscreen, but now they have come up with the technology that has a spray kind of sunscreen, which is really great and easy to use. And guys, you can find all the Wow Skin Science products on their Buy Wow app and also their official website, or you can also purchase this from Nykaa, Amazon and a lot of other websites. These are available everywhere, and this is how the product look like. This is the outer packaging, the cardboard one, and then we have a spray bottle which is so nice, and it comes in a dark bottle so that it does not get oxidized, or it's very safe to use. So let me give you a little insight of why we need sunscreen in our lives and how important is to put sunscreen, not even when you're outside but also when you're inside your home. So basically there are three types of rays that come from sun, that is the UVC, UVB and UVA rays. So the UVC rays are the least harmful because they cannot penetrate the ozone layer, whereas we have the UVA and UVB rays which penetrates the ozone layer and reach to us, and they damage our skin in very different ways. And people who are very sensitive skin tends to get a lot of sunburns and rashes all over the skin if they're out in the sun for too long. So in UVA and UVB also, UVB is less harmful because it is of lower concentration, whereas UVA is very harmful for us. If we are going out on a beach day or anywhere else, you should put a sunscreen, and even when you are home, your last step of your skincare routine should be a sunscreen. To be very honest, it's that important. So all this helps to protect our skin cells DNA, and which can be damaged from these kind of rays. This is the particular product. It has SPF 30 as written here. SPF 30 to 50 is the right amount of sunscreen that you should use, and this product retails for 399 rupees for 100 ml, which is a great quantity as it is in a spray bottle. It's easy to use, very convenient, and the best part about this one is you can use it like a last step of your skincare routine and even after applying your makeup. So it works both ways. That is really amazing. All the Wow Skin Science products are paraben free, silicone free, or any kind of added fragrance or color, artificial color or anything. So this is perfectly safe to use, and it has natural sun blockers, which gives an add-on when it comes to protecting your skin from any kind of damage, including the pollution as well. So it protects you from that. This product is dermatology tested and very safe to use. It is perfect for sensitive skin people as it is not a cream base, so it will not leave your skin very oily, or it feels very cool after applying. You just need to shake it and then take a little amount, remove the cap, and from a distance just spray it all over your face. The fragrance is very natural and it gives a cooling instant effect, and it also gives a sheer glow on your face, which I really like. It gets absorbed into your skin so quickly. It is non-sticky, non-oily, and sits perfectly on your face. The ingredient of this one is very promising. It has raspberry extract, which is rich in vitamin C, which helps to any kind of damage from the sun. It has carrot seed extract, which is rich in vitamin A and E, which helps in anti-aging. So that is one great thing about this product. It also has avocado oil, which is great for nourishment, and if you are dry skin, then this will work so beautifully for you guys. And also the last main ingredient is the almond oil, which reverses the sun damage and exposure and helps to keep your skin really healthy. And all the Wow product has this golden sticker with QR code which tells the authenticity of the product, and these are so good quality. I cannot even emphasize on this much that how I love Wow Skin Science technology and the product. They come up with ranges which are very different from any other brand and which are convenient to use. As you can see, the bottle has a little bit of oil, so it's very much suggested that you shake it very properly before applying, and this will give you best results. So lastly, I will state the benefits of this one. It will give you protection from UVB and UVA rays, sun rays, which can damage your skin. It also helps to protect you from outside pollution or any kind of dirt, and also it cools, soothes and hydrates your skin really good. As soon as you apply it on your skin, you will feel the coolness of this product, and as you can see, it gives a natural glow as well because it has all essential oils which will help your skin to keep healthy. So guys, that is it for today's video. Do purchase this wow product, it's really good. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. And also you can watch all the wow products review and my previous videos. I will link down somewhere here. And if you want more such review videos, then do comment and let me know, and I will be happy to do it for you guys. So until next time, bye.